Welcome back to Tech with Ashutosh, your go-to channel for all the tech-related stuffs. Today I have got three iPhone tips and tricks that will help you maximize your iPhone experience. But before that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and turn on the notifications so that you never miss out on our latest video. Alright, let's get started. So first feature that I'm going to tell you is iPhone has now enabled a dictation mode in their keyboard, so that helps you out in doing in typing very quickly. So for that, let's turn on the tab so that you can see where I am clicking on the screen. So as you can see there in the right corner in the below, there is a mic icon, so you can turn this mic on, and whatever you are going to dictate, the keyboard and the iPhone is going to write the things, like open any app where you can input the text like message or notes. Instead of typing, tap on the microphone icon on the keyboard, start speaking, and your iPhone will transcribe your words into text as a real time. This feature is incredibly handy for composing messages, and plus it also works out in case the dictation is going wrong. You can write things on yourself, which is another part. Plus, as I have used Gboard, a Google based keyboard dictation, a, a Google based keyboard, and there I had to continuously turn on the mic and turn off the mic, which was a feature there, but it sometimes it was very annoying because every time I need to turn it on and turn it off. So I will give a brony point for iPhone for enabling it continuously while dictating. So next feature that I am going to tell you is the timer mode. In the timer mode, what you need, you can add a timer widget on the control center. So for that, you just need to go to control center. Make sure you have this timer icon. If you have timer icon in this more control, just move it to here. So now you can access these timers in control center directly. You can click on this and you can directly select few of the timers that they have iPhone is offering. By default they are offering few of the timers, selected timers, which you can use. Let me just start one timer, and everything will come on the dynamic mode, dynamic island. As you can see, the timer is coming. You can also turn it off from here as by clicking on the dynamic island, and you can pause and cancel the item from there. So that was about the timer widget. The third and the best thing that iPhone has added, I would suggest it, is have I think that is for the photos app. Have you ever, sometimes we take photos and we realize that you want it to crop it differently. With the zoom crop feature, you can crop out things in ease. So what you need to do, just select a photo that you want to crop. So let's go to any photo. Let's take this video only. So I have taken this shot, and now said I want this first object to be cropped. So what I can do is I can pinch zoom on the object. I need to I need to pinch zoom on the object, and you can see now we have a crop icon over here which will directly crop out the things. So that is something cool, because in case if it is not over there, what you need to do is you need to click on edit icon and then do the stuffs by zooming and all. But the feature that is coming in by default iPhone is directly recognizing that a user wants to crop out things. So you can take a crop and you can do it easily. So that is one of the flexibility. You have more flexibility to perfect your photos even after you have taken it. So here you have it, all the three cool tips and tricks to enhance your iPhone experience. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe with Tech with Asutosh for more tips and tricks and tutorials. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.